करें ताकि आपकी अटेंडेंस के लिए इजी हो जाए। प्लीज गो टू योर प्रोफाइल एंड चेंज योर नेम। अगर आप अपना ओरिजिनल नेम के साथ यहाँ पे ऑनलाइन नहीं होंगे जूम में तो आपकी अटेंडेंस इशू होगा, फिर बाद में आप लोग इस चीज के बारे में क्लेम ना करिए। गेटिंग माई पॉइंट? ओके, लेट्स स्टार्ट। Let's start today's lecture with little bit recap. Just wait a minute. Okay, all of you now, please take out your English books. All of you now, please take out your English books. Now, please don't do the annotation. I'm starting your slides again, sharing it again. Okay, let's recap our previous lecture first. Firstly, show me your thumbs ups. Are you getting my voice? So in the previous lecture, we have started with the lesson number 2, which is school, in which we talk about the school, we talk about the different subject at school. Today we are going to start our new lesson with the thought of the day. So today's thought of the day is when one door of the happiness closes and other opens. But often we look at so long at closed door that we do not see the other one that has been opened for us. So these are the lines that are by the Helen Keller, as you already read about the Helen Keller in lesson number first. Have you read about the Helen Keller in lesson number 1? In your summer vacations, you have given so many questions from the topic Helen Keller. Okay, so today we are going to start with the things which is left. We were in the last lecture, we were doing with the linking phrase. So what are the linking phrase? As you know that the linking is another word and phrase in another word. Linking means to connect, to create a link, while the phrase means a small group of the words which can't stand alone, which need an other phrase or an other clause to stand. So in connectively, we can say that what is the linking phrase? Linking phrase is a relationship between two ideas. In short, we can say that it is a conjunction. What is a conjunction? The words that are connecting two different words together. So take out the page number 21 in your books. Take out the page number 21 that is in your book. Here are many linking words. Now we are only talking about the two linking phrases. One is instead of, another is as well as. Firstly, and their connection with noun, not with verbs, not with other things. Their connection with the noun. So firstly, talk about the as well as. Before starting the as well as, we need to know about what is the meaning of as well as. As well as means not only but also. It means I don't only need mangoes, I also need bananas. So the two things you want when you need something in an addition of another thing is known as an as well as. To add more information to the some fact. So it means you are adding more information with the fact that is given before. To add, to express the something that that is done in addition to something else. It is also about that is happen in an addition to someone and something. So in short, हम क्या कह सकते हैं? We can say that these are the sentences that create the connection between two different sentences and two different ideas. As you can look in the example, tree give us fruit. This is a one sentence and full stop. And the other sentence is they also give us shade is an other sentence. To create a connection between two words, we are using a one linking word that is as well as. So the sentence become tree give us fruit as well as shade. So as well as is playing a role of a conjunction and creating a link between two different ideas and two different sentences. Here are some more examples. John as well as Mary wants to drop the course. So you see that ke wants, here we use want in spite of want. If you use want, it will be wrong. Why we are using the wants? Because the John and the Mary are the nouns and both nouns are singular. When as well as is a part of a subject, as well as is a part of a subject. Okay, so the noun comes before as well as is the John. So due to the Johns, we use the want. As you know that with the singular words, with the singular noun, with he, she, it, we use s or es. Got it? Show me your thumbs up. Are you getting my point? Show me your thumbs up. Okay. And other examples are she sings as well as she play the piano. Not only she sings, she also play the piano. So two different ideas are combined together by using as well as. I cook dinner as well washing the car. These are again two different ideas that are connected together and create a only one sentence. She is greedy as well as dishonest. So she was greedy, but in addition to it, she is dishonest also. He as well as his sister is well educated. So this means he is only educated, but his sister is also educated. So they both are educated, and as well as is used here as a linking word or a linking phrase. Next is instead of. Instead, what is the meaning of instead of? Instead of means that you are using something in place of. or you are using something as an alternative. As an alternative, if you are using something as an alternative, you need to write the instead of. That means you have one thing in your hand, but you don't want that thing. You want an other thing. In other words, you can say that it is a comparison between two things. As here it is written, when something is replaced to something else, you have one thing, but you don't want that thing. You want an other thing. That you have mangoes, but you want bananas. Another definition is the most common way is to use this key expression is to comparing of two things. As I already told you that it is all about the comparison between the two things. So here is an example that is given for your more clearance. I don't like exercising. Instead of exercising, I am going to take nap. Nap means a short sleep, which we oftenly do in the at the after our lunch time. So here he preferred the nap than exercising. He said that I like to take nap instead of exercising. Here are the some more examples. Be remember in your mind, make it clear that instead of can be used at different places in sentence. You can use it in start of the sentence. You can use it in the middle of the sentence. You can use it in the instead of the sentences, but it all depend upon the nature of the sentence. So here it is written, the example, instead of dog, I decide to get a cat. So he have a dog, but instead of the dog, he will prefer the cat. Another sentence is I wish that books were more popular instead of cell phones. So he is wishing that cell phones are less popular than the books. So that means he is preferring the books over cell phones. And other sentences is there's no coffee. Would you like a cup of tea instead? So maybe maybe the person like tea, but you are coffee, but you are saying that person that there is a cup of tea for you instead of a cup of tea. Hope by the example it is clear for you all where we are using the instead of and where we are using the as well as. As I already tell you, there are many linking words or the linking phrases. However, moreover, nevertheless, as well as, instead of, or, these all are the linking words. But here in your chapter, we are only focusing about two linking words with the addition of noun. Hope all the things are clear to you. Now just take out your page number 21, use of English. Here, please take out your book. You need to answer me in your chat box. There are the some filling the blanks. Read the use of English box, complete AE with instead of and as well as. So the first one is, nowadays people often send emails dash letter because email much quicker. So what is in the the answer? Can anybody tell me? Mohammad Rehan, can you please send me your answer in the chat box? What should be in the blank one? Mohammad Rehan, please send me the answer of the option A. Instead of. So nowadays pupil often send email instead of letters. So the pupil nowadays preferring the email over the letters. Next is my sister is very good at languages. She speak English and French dash Arabic. What comes in the dash? Yes, very good. As well as English and French as well as Arabic. Next one is dash math. I did like to have more art lesson. I can't stand math. So what is in the C? Instead of math, I like to have more art lessons. So you are preferring the art over the math. D is we wear our own clothes to school dash a uniform. So what will be in the blank? We wear our own clothes to school instead a uniform. Is it? What will be the answer? Instead a uniform. Next one is my brother really into sport dash football. He plays basketball after school too. So what comes? As well as. So all are done. Very good. Now this is your home task. So please, this is your homework. Don't panic about the homework. If you are not getting my point, the slide will be mailed you all by teacher Kaneez. She will mail you in your WhatsApp group. So your home task is compare your school day with your sibling, cousin or friend. It depends upon you if you want to share your school day with your siblings, with your cousin and with your friend. You need to answer these 3 questions by comparing your school life with your cousin, friend or siblings life. What does your school have in common with the school? What is the common thing in your school and his school? And what things are different? What are the different things in your school and his school? And what guide will be mailed to you all? Don't worry about the home task. Today, teacher will mail you your all slides. Don't panic about anything. Okay, please just listen to me. So this is it for today.